today I want to unboxing my stuff that I buy from Cilik. Hi. Say hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, today my name is Ella.
This is what? What is this?
Chiwa.
Chiwa. So guys, we will unboxing. Okay? I tak sabar sebenarnya nak unboxing this all. Ya?
Yeah.
Tang tang tang.
Wow, my favorite
Okay,
game.
this is a bubble. Okay guys, I think you will know what is this. Yeah, DYXY.
Yeah, DYXY.
I'm so excited to unboxing this stuff. Right?
If you do a video, so the postman will give you money.
Yeah? Oh. Okay.
And you do a lot of videos. Last time I do a lot of videos until the postman give me money.
Of course, will give you money. Okay. Diba, I will cerita guys. Okay, so I will unboxing. Okay guys, ada lagi satu bubble wrap di dalam. So, but you can see clearly the DYXY, right? Check. DYXY skincare. So, wait, okay.
Skincare, but
Yeah, this one like
now it's a bubble.
what that name?
Huh?
What? Oh,
Baby crystal.
baby crystal.
Baby crystal. My
Yeah.
God, baby crystal, guys.
Guys. Okay guys, satu benda yang I nak cakap, dia punya packaging sangat selamat. So kalau yang order daripada Sabah dan Sarawak, don't worry sebab barang kamu akan sampai dengan selamat. Sebab dia sangat-sangat ni. Sebab I nak buka pun sangat susah. Sebab dia punya packaging memang sangat awesome. Terbaik. Terbaik.
Terbaik.
Okay guys, finally I done to unboxing the wrapping, all wrapping and my luka di bibir. Aduh, sakitnya. Okay. So, okay, this is my new skincare. Alright, so this is have the
Sammy.
Give me speak first. Okay. This is tender skin nourishing essence like serum. Then this one is essence toner. Then this one is bubble cleanser. Okay, I buy 3 type of this skincare and I got a free gift. Okay, what is the free gift? I got this for the bubble cleanser, and then I also have DYXY Cosmetic exclusive punch break.
Okay.
Okay, and then this one. So I can put inside here, and I also can put inside here. So, oh my God, so nicely. Thank you DYXY for giving me the exclusive DYXY Cosmetic pouch bag. Thank you. So I will unboxing later about these 3 skincare.
Okay guys, so I will continue to unboxing this one lah, one by one. So kita boleh tengok lah apa yang ada di dalamnya. Okay, ini tender skin nourishing essence. So kalau I tak silap, ini adalah serum. Okay, so I will unboxing. Okay, so kita boleh tengok lah macam mana dia punya rupa. Okay guys, nampak? This is the serum. I think berbaloi lah kamu beli sebab harga dia sangat berpatutan. Lepas tu dengan dia punya quantity ni lagi kan, so I rasa dia akan tahan lama kalau kamu try this serum. Okay, this one. Okay, kita open. This is a essence toner. Okay, let's see what on the essence toner. Sebenarnya I sangat tunggu lah this produk sampai seminggu lebih juga sebab biasalah macam-macam problem lah. Okay guys, this is the toner. Toner. Right, this is toner. And then the last one is amino acid bubble cleanser. Okay. What? Okay, this is the amino acid bubble cleanser. Okay. You ask the Chico. Okay. So I got the free gift, so I can use this for clean my skin for using. I think how to open. Oh, I think you should open like this. Then put inside and then you can clean like this. Right. Okay, so later I will using lah. What you want? What you want to do? A girl? A girl. You ask Chico. Chico have, I don't have. Okay, this is a bubble cleanser, and this is my free gift. And also the exclusive bag. Okay? So nanti bila I try this all product, I will tell you. Okay? Sebab I daripada 2017, kalau nak silap, I starting to using this DYXY cosmetic. But now I will try pula untuk dia punya DYXY skincare, sama ada that's good like dia cosmetic or not. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care and stay safe.